Well, it's a happy Saturday to everybody out there, and it's time again for some packets. For 2026, we have got 2 select pasta boxes. I was just buying some from eBay, some top loaders, as the Bredsky Packet store is going great guns. Check it out, link is in my YouTube channel. I think there's a link to the store there. And I saw these are still available, so, well, first of course, we'll have to have just a sip of refreshing, and then we'll get these opened up and see what we can get. Whew. That was fast. That's what happens when you have a so good. Unpaid promotion. We'll start off with this, the good old Pink Dragons. I hope everyone had a good Christmas and New Year's, ready for another year of packets. We've got Max Holmes from Geelong and Luke Jackson from the Dockers. We've got Lockie Whitfield from the Giants and Jake Saligo from the Crows. Okay, let's get into it. Ready to go for a... let's go. We start with our beloved footy heads, Luke Davies Uniacke and a Tom Stewart Luminous Base. We'll do one blaster box at a time. I've missed opening packets since Christmas Day. We've got a Luminous Thunderbolt Took Miller, and it's a Thunderbolt base. Still hoping to score a golden ticket, come on. Oh, it's gold, alright. It's gold Dragon from the Bont, from the Western Bulldogs. Excelente. Let's grab a sleeve. Oh, let's have a look. Number 151 of 399. Good to start the year off with some go! Looking forward to the new release. Let's see what it can bring. Oh, we got Milestone, Dane Rampy from the Swans, and a Bailey Williams Luminous Space. What a year for the packets last year was. This release was pretty bloody awesome. Oh, we've got a number Thunderbolt Christian Petraka Thunderbolt base. Now a Sun. Wow. Interesting to see how they go. Should have a pretty dominant midfield this year. Geez. Oh, we've got some more. Oh, there's a McGovern footy head, of course, because we, that's what we're all about at the House of Packets. Ash Riddell presents. Oh, you can count on his steel. Jack Steele. Luminous Superstar. Excellent card. Number 44 of 199. Well, Bond, you've been hit the bench, son. Mr. Steele. And of course, welcome Jack Steele to the Mighty Demons. Hopefully a good season ahead for the lad. Milestone Games, Liam Jones for the Doggies with a Callum Wilkie Luminous Base. That's not bad, 2 pretty good hits from the first blaster box. Now we've got another Thunderbolt, Tom Liberatore, and it's a Thunderbolt Gold! Ho-ho! Wow, 3 hits from this blaster box. Not too shabby, I must say. If I could get this one into the sleeve sometime before Christmas. There you go. Ah, that's some pretty good stuff so far. Oh, and we've got an epic red Tyson Stengel from the Cats with a Domshi Luminous Space. Whoa, it's time for our first lot of last packet magic. Oh, it's a last packet Thunderbolt base, Logan McDonald from the Swans. Well, that's a pretty good start right there. 3 nice hits from the Blaster Box 1. Let's see what Blaster Box 2 has for us. Oh, another start of a footy head Nick Larkey from the Swans with an Isaac Heaney Thunderbolt. A Thunderbolt base. Here we go, another bloody footy head. Jed Walter, the Suns, and a Jason Horn Francis Luminous Space. 2 footy heads to start off with. Then a milestone game, Josh Dunkley from the Lions with a Nick Martin Luminous Space. Oh, a bit tired already. It's been a while since we've sat here and opened some packets. Oh, it looks like we've got a regular Dragon Scales there. Let's see who we've got. A Saint says we've got Braden Campbell from the Sydney Swans. They should have an interesting year ahead. Dean Cox got him up and running after a bad start, with a much better forward line with Charlie Curnow in there. 367 of 799. Okay, that's a good start. Footy heads. Jack Steele from the Saints and Dion Prestia from the Tigers. Oh come all ye footy heads, as they sung at Christmas time. We've got a Luminous Thunderbolt Tom Lynch from the Tigers. That's not too bad. Well, not too good, but hey now. Oh, we got a breakout. Christian Petraka from the Demons. I'm just cursed by Christian Petraka. We won't mention what Nazaya Wanganeen Miller did to the Demons last year, sorry. That haunts bad, that one. Okay, Thunderbolt again, Michael Frederick from the Dockers. Oh, it's only a Thunderbolt base. So just 1 Dragon Scales from this box, 2 packets left. Woohoo, let's see. Oh, looks like we've got a Brownlow predictor. So, hopefully it's Matt Rao, that would be interesting. Taylor Harris, the champion from the D's, and it's a signature. No! Who do we have here? Jake Saligo from the Crows. That's a pretty good hit. Oh, I think the Superstars one. Oh, sorry, wait. Second. Nice packet magic. Alright. Now get in there. Oh, it's our last packet footy head, and it's Harley Reid from the West Coast. With a Bailey Humphrey Luminous base. Well, I'll be snookered. Okay, so let's have a look at what we got from the 2 blaster boxes. We got a Jack Steele Luminous Superstars, a Brownlow Predictor for Jake Saligo, a Dragon Scales of Braden Campbell, a Thunderbolt Gold, Tomlin Praetorian, a gold. Marcus Bontempelli, Gold Dragon. Well, hopefully it's a nice trip down Footy Stars 2025 lane. Hank, anyway, thanks for tuning in. As I said before, check out my Bradsky Packets eBay store. The link is on the YouTube channel there. And as usual, we have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and we will see you in the future.